Hello everyone. Welcome back to Worldwide Stories, where we take you on incredible journeys. Today we're heading to Bukidnon in the Philippines for the Kaamulan Festival. This annual event isn't just a celebration, it's a deep cultural experience. From stunning dances to colorful costumes, Kaamulan is a living tribute to Bukidnon's indigenous tribes. Stick around as we dive into everything that makes this festival truly special. So what does Kaamulan mean? The word comes from the Bukid term amul, meaning to gather. The festival is essentially a gathering of Bukidnon's 7 indigenous tribes. Each tribe comes together to celebrate their shared culture, history, and traditions. It's a powerful reminder of their resilience and unity. Kaamulan is not just a festival, it's a celebration of identity and belonging. Kaamulan's roots date back to ancient tribal rituals, long before the official festival began in 1974. These ceremonies were all about harvests, peace pacts, and spiritual rites. Over time, these practices evolved into what we now know as Kaamulan. Today, it's a modern-day celebration that still honors those ancient customs. It's a powerful example of how tradition can stay alive and adapt over time. There are 7 indigenous tribes that participate in the Kaamulan Festival: the Higayonon, Talandig, Bukidnon, Manobo, Matigsalug, Tigwahanon, and Umayamnon. Each tribe brings its own unique history, language, and culture to the festival. Together they create a rich tapestry of diversity and unity. Through Kaamulan, they celebrate their shared heritage. It's a beautiful demonstration of how different cultures can unite for a common purpose. One of the most striking aspects of Kaamulan is the traditional costumes. Each tribe wears intricate, hand-woven garments made from natural materials. The costumes are adorned with colorful beads, feathers, and embroidery, each symbolizing something important to the tribe. These outfits are more than just beautiful. They are a form of storytelling. They connect the wearer to their ancestors and their history. The dances at Kaamulan are equally mesmerizing. Each movement tells a story, whether it's about warriors, harvests, or nature. These dances are more than performance. They're rituals. The performers move with precision, sharing stories of their ancestors through their body language. Watching them is like witnessing history in motion, as each step is infused with meaning. Music plays a huge role in bringing the festival to life. Traditional instruments like bamboo flutes, gongs, and drums fill the air with rhythm. The sound of the drums is especially powerful, setting the tone for the entire event. These instruments are not just for entertainment. They're deeply connected to the spiritual and cultural practices of the tribes. The music binds everything together, adding depth to the festival's atmosphere. And then there's the food. Delicious, local, and authentic. Bukidnon's culinary offerings are an essential part of Kaamulan, from binaki, corn cake, to sinuglaw, grilled pork, and ceviche. There's something for every palate. One of the highlights is the local coffee, grown high in the Bukidnon Mountains. It's a treat for anyone visiting the festival, offering a taste of the region's agricultural richness. The street dancing parade is an absolute highlight of Kaamulan. Hundreds of dancers fill the streets, all wearing their tribe's traditional attire. The energy is electric as the crowd cheers, and the music fills the air. Each tribe performs their own dances, celebrating their unique culture. The parade is a visual and auditory feast that makes you feel like you're part of something larger than life. As night falls, the festival takes on a whole new atmosphere. The performances continue under the stars, creating a magical vibe. The stage lights glow, illuminating the dancers as they move in unison to tribal rhythms. The nighttime performances feel intimate and mystical, as the darkness and lights blend with the music. It's a moment where you can truly appreciate the beauty and spirit of Kaamulan. At the heart of the Kaamulan Festival is storytelling. Elders from each tribe share the myths, legends, and history of their people. These stories have been passed down for generations and are a vital part of preserving their culture. By listening, you gain a deeper understanding of the traditions that shape each tribe. It's a powerful way to connect with the past while honoring the present. One of the most beautiful things about Kaamulan is its connection to nature. The indigenous people of Bukidnon have a deep respect for the land they live on. The festival includes rituals and ceremonies that honor the environment and seek blessings for a good harvest. It's a reminder that in many ways the well-being of the earth and its people are intertwined. Kaamulan emphasizes sustainability and reverence for the world around us. Kaamulan is not just for locals. It's a global celebration that welcomes visitors from all over the world. Whether you're learning a tribal dance or sampling traditional food, everyone can participate. The festival provides an immersive experience that allows outsiders to understand and appreciate indigenous culture. It's an invitation to learn, connect, and celebrate the diversity that makes the world so vibrant. For families, Kaamulan offers a chance to make lasting memories. Children can join in the dances, play traditional games, and learn about the tribe's history. It's an educational experience that also brings families closer together. By involving young people in the festivities, Kaamulan ensures that the cultural legacy continues for generations to come. It's an inspiring way to pass down traditions and foster a sense of pride. Kaamulan's artisan market is another major draw of the festival. Local artisans sell beautifully crafted goods, including woven fabrics, wooden carvings, and jewelry. These items are not just souvenirs, they're representations of the tribe's artistry and craftsmanship. Purchasing these handmade goods supports the local economy and helps preserve these traditional skills. It's a great way to take home a piece of Bukidnon's cultural heritage. Kaamulan is a festival with authenticity at its core. Unlike many other festivals that have been commercialized for tourists, Kaamulan stays true to its roots. It's a celebration led by the indigenous people, for the indigenous people. The event isn't just about putting on a show, it's about preserving and honoring their way of life. This makes the experience feel genuine and impactful, not just entertaining. Traveling to Bukidnon for Kaamulan gives you the chance to explore the province's natural beauty. The area is known for its lush landscapes, rolling hills, and cool mountain air. Bukidnon is a hidden gem in the Philippines, offering a unique combination of nature and culture. It's the perfect destination for anyone looking to experience the Philippines beyond its popular beaches. Kaamulan adds an extra layer of wonder to an already stunning region. The theme of unity is central to Kaamulan. Even though each tribe has its own unique identity, they come together to celebrate their shared heritage. This message of unity transcends the festival and speaks to a larger global lesson. That diversity is something to be celebrated, not feared. Kaamulan teaches us that when we embrace what makes us different, we create stronger, more resilient communities. Being part of Kaamulan is like stepping into another world. From the powerful drum beats to the vibrant dances, it's an experience that feels both ancient and contemporary. Every moment at the festival is filled with meaning and history. It's a chance to learn about a culture that's rich, diverse, and filled with pride. The memories you make at Kaamulan will stay with you for a lifetime. So what do you think? Will the Kaamulan Festival be your next travel destination? From its vibrant dances to its rich cultural traditions, it's an unforgettable celebration of unity and heritage. Festivals like Kaamulan show us the beauty of diversity and the importance of preserving our roots. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Worldwide Stories for more incredible adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and sharing your story with the world.